That's a break. That shouldn't happen.
Double team.
Yes, you got up, Robert.
Let's go.
Move, Phil. You gotta move. Move around.
Jeff!
Yeah.
There we go.
Hey,
Good, Michael. No breaks, Michael.
Just getting way on you, Cam. Call double team if they do that.
Slow down.
Cameron,
You got me.
Get it, Ed.
Oh, you missed one.
Nice. It's a lucky catch, Eric. It's all lucky. He won't get it.
Get back on the break. Get back on this side.
Well, I had my hands out and you dragged.
All right, Phil!
If he hits it while it's
keep it away, Jake. So what's
Sweet.
There you go, Chaz. You're eating them up today. Set it up!
He's literally my hero.
Because I went out to school all the time and I could just wear like athletic clothes and t-shirts, so I didn't even know.
Yeah.
So, and then I went home all day.
Ready to get in.
So good.
Get in. He's not gonna.
no blind.
You gotta lay out. Should have laid out.
Great play. Holy All right, boys.
There you go. Lincoln, all right.
Stack! Nothing deep, Max.
Now, Larkin.
Nice try, Larkin. Nice try. I'll get the bag on him.
Horse is quick.
3. Hard. 4.
Stolen. 2, 3.
Take it right here.
Stolen. 2.
No big. No break. Chris.
It's okay, Tyler.
Stolen. On your feet, Jeff.
Nothing big. Hey, Jeff. Set. Be there, Alex.
Yeah, baby! Who are you filming? Because I asked him to help me speak to them.
Jeff. Hey. 3, 2, 1. This is. Come in. No big.